Hello mathematicians! Today we're going to learn how to get into Think Central. When you log into your Chromebook, you'll want to go to the Google Chrome icon at the bottom. Click on that. When this screen comes up, go to the upper left-hand corner where it says jeffcoschools.us bookmarks. Click on the drop-down menu, and then it'll take you to Think Central if you go down to the second choice. Click on Think Central. Normally you'll see your name that you need to log into, so you'll have to click it. But once you've done that once, you'll see the Think Central site. You're going to want to go to Things to Do to find your assignments. You'll see a list of assignments. They're not always in order, so make sure you know what number your lesson is. Today we're going to look at Lesson 4.9. It'll come to Resources, then click on the lesson again. It will then tell you some of the different icons and what they mean. For example, if you click on the right arrow, that takes you to the next question. The left arrow takes you to the previous question. There's a button for saving and closing if you haven't finished your activity and need to return to it. And there is a turn it in button for when you are finished. Also a question mark if you need help with other features. Then go down to the start button. Now on your first time doing Think Central, it may give you a warm-up. But in this case, we are going right to our lesson. It says Lesson 4.9. And it says homework. Please ignore that. It is your classwork. So as you read the problem, you'll see that you have a place for your answer. You will click on the box to enter your answer. Now, you'll need scratch paper as you're doing this, or your math workbook or something to write in. And once you have your answer, you can type it in. So if I were to say 833 and I check my work, it will tell me if my answer is wrong. Your answer is too small. Use a proof drawing to help you add. Okay, so I can X out of that, and I might be a little confused. So I can view an example. Wow, it gives me all kinds of examples on how I could solve this problem. If I'm still not sure, I can look at a step-by-step. It'll tell me step 1 out of 7 steps. Then I can go to step 2 and keep clicking as I go. My suggestion to you is that you definitely don't just guess, that you are solving this on paper, okay? So I think I have to try another. Once I think I get it, I can try another. So I would want to solve it on paper. I'm going to write it out. Or maybe use a proof drawing, and then I'm going to enter it in the box. You're going to click on it, and then, I hope I did that right, check my answer, and I got it right. So now I could go to the next problem, next question. You'll see at the top, it'll show you that I'm on number 2. You can use the arrow buttons to go forward to the next question or back to the previous, because I didn't answer that one. And then when you are finished, you will click on Turn It In, and your teacher will get to see your work. If you are running out of time and you need to go back to it, click on Save and Close, and you can return to it at another time. I hope you enjoy this new math tool.